So this is the 20-volt compound drill. The maximum speed is about 3,500, but anyway, I think 2,000 on no load 2,800 RPM. The harder you push the button, the faster the speed goes. So you have is a brushless. So if you want to put the battery, you have to place this button, push it down, push it down. Then when you push it down, slide this one back, slide this back. Here's my pull out. So you shake here, and you put this one back, push it down. This one will slide down, and it will come forth. So you do like a sliding. So that's how they make it. So here is the button for the maximum speed and also automatic stop. You can see it there. So this is a DeWalt. I'm gonna lose it to see how the inside is. Here it use a 4-star. It use a 4-star, so I will lose the 4-star knot. So you can see it here. So now I'm gonna use a Allen key to lose this, to lose it by the side. Okay, now I have loosed both those Allen key knots, so I'm gonna pull it out, the cover up. See how the inside is goes. So you can see this is the BL's control unit. You can see it. This is the control unit, the speed control unit. This is the brushless motor. You can see the gearbox. Let me go if I can pull it off. Wow. See the armature, see the shaft. It is a permanent magnet. It is a permanent magnet. So this is the small bearing. So this is the final winding, the field winding. How many pole? 6 pole. So it's run on high speed, thousands of speed here. Then it came here and they reduced the speed. So this is the planet gearbox. You can see it inside. So when this one turn high speed, this one turns slow and increase the torque. I'm turning it from the outside. So this is the LED light they put on it so that when you are drilling at night you can see what you are drawing on. So this is the LED light they put on it. So this is the control unit. So that is it. This is where the 20-volt terminal, then for the BLDC unit. So that is it. This is how the inside is. So this is how it is. So I'm gonna put the cover casing back. So like I said, this is the motor, this is the gearbox that increase the torque, reduce the speed, and increase the torque. You can see this thing is spin, the torque increase. So this is the speed control unit. Once you push it back, you see it. So this is how it is. So this is the, because the motor is three phase, so this is where the conversion come on. So that is it. So I'm gonna place the cover back. So I'll put the cover back. I'm gonna tie the knot now. I'm gonna tie the knot. So I have tightened this one. So whenever you tighten, make sure that you rotate this thing to make sure that it is free. Now, yeah, you can see the motor is rotating. So now let me connect the battery again. No, after if it's still rotating. No more. And the way they design this drill is that if you have this, you can use it as a screwdriver. If you have this kind of screwdriver, you can bring the out. And when you bring that, you can put it at this small, at the mouth of this thing. If you shake it, so this is the star. There is the flat. So you can use it as a screwdriver. You can use it loose and tight. You can use it. So you can use it as a screwdriver.